Suspension! Ah!
Walking that bit on my toilet. Walking that bit with the O's. They bit it, they back, and they look, they chose.
Otherwise I can't do wheelies, huh? I hope the track is still frozen a little bit. Yesterday it was, but today I don't know. I want to tap my brake. Outside, inside. This door also, outside, inside, outside, inside, I mean. It's a little bit loose today, so not that perfect. Stand it. Now I have to go back to the van to switch the switch, I think, in English, because if I fall then the switch turned off and my speed limiter is on. Can catch up with the start, but I don't think so. It won't be funny, but I don't think so. I can follow him, so let's see. Is he coming? Ah, he's too fast. Fuck. Ah. Fuck yeah. I don't have a whip. Outside line wide open. I can't follow him. It's too fast. It will be funny if I can follow him, but it doesn't happen. So my corners are too slow because I don't have too many power. Because the Laya, it's actually a 50cc. But it's funny. The red suspension. Again, wide open. I hope so. Ah! Oh. My hands are cold. I don't have an exhaust to warm up my hands. Fucking hell! My battery is like 69 now. I started with 100. So it's very good. I think now I'm on lap 4, so like 6 laps will be good with the battery. Freezing. Suspension! It's pretty stiff. Maybe I cut a little bit of the corner. Oh, voor de baas! Oh shit! I don't feel my hands. Fucking hell. I have to cut the corner, so I have a little bit flat track. A little bit wide and then cut the corner. Wide, cutting the corner again for the flat spot. Wide outside, outside, inside. Again, outside, inside. This one is just cornering. Ah, fuck. A little bit too slow. This is just outside, wide open. Well guys, I think that went pretty good. Yeah. Actually not that good because the sand was a little bit loose. I had to hope it was frozen. It was a frozen track, I mean. The problem is the bike has not that many powers because it's actually in cc's it's 50. So and electric it's like 4 kilowatt to 8 kilowatt peak. So yeah, it has to be a frozen track or a hard track for the perfect to have it perfect. Sorry for my bad English, but I'm trying something new. I'm trying because I know I have also English viewers from the canteen. That's why. So I want to do both, maybe a Dutch version and an English version, but we will see. I will see in the comments if you like it. If you don't like it, let me know. I will do the Dutch version afterwards. But for today, I quit. They are flattening the track for Tuesday. Today is Sunday. It's Electric Sunday, once in a month. That's it. Like I said, it went pretty good. We had fun. I have fun. The fun about electric is you can talk. You can talk when you're riding. With a normal bike you can too. But that is too funny. But I wish you guys a good new year, a good 2026, because that is gonna be my last video of this year, and I hope to see you guys next year again. And if you don't see on YouTube, you can see me in the canteen in Lommel. And yeah, I will say goodbye and see you in the next video. Laters.